Hello, today I want to show you more autumn horticals, and I choose from this trolley some plants and some natural accessories this time. What we have from this autumn, we have here a nice collection of small pumpkins. They are called Cucumis little, 8 centimeters diameter average. This nice mix of items, which mostly florists they use them in the bouquets and or in arrangement also. They are called Cucumis mixed. You can have like this with 4 trays of mixed items. There are a specific number of them. And from plants, which bring us to the idea of autumn, there is Solanum, and of course we have the peppers, how I call them, but their name is capsicum salsa mix. You don't have to make salsa from them because they are not edible, these ones. And I have also a nice cabbage. So still we are in the kitchen area somehow. Brassica Hammond mix of brassica plants. Stay close, we have more autumn items, and of course soon we are getting prepared for Halloween.